Bismillahir Rahmanir Raheem. Assalam-o-Alikum.
Importance of Wudu and its benefits in Islam.
Purity of the soul. Your spirit is up. Your mind is clear, and you are prepared to take on the day. This is the importance of Wudu. Wudu is more than just a ceremonial cleaning ritual. It is also a spiritual practice that aids soul cleansing and prepares the worshipper to pray. Imagine waking up in the morning with a sense of renewal and vitality. Wudu is washing specified body parts in a specific order with water in preparation for prayer. It is a required act of worship for all Muslims, and it is also advised at many other times, such as before visiting the mosque, reading the Quran, and going to bed. It is also a spiritual practice that aids soul cleansing. It is not just a physical action, but it creates a connection between the believer and Allah. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, emphasizes the importance of the wudu in Islam. When a Muslim performs wudu and washes his face, all his sins committed with his eyes are washed away. Moreover, when he washes his hands, all his sins committed with his hands are washed away. Lastly, when he washes his feet, all his sins committed with his feet are washed away until he emerges pure and sinless from his ablution. It is also a source of your soul's purification and spiritual cleanliness. It is a practical means to connect with Allah. The key to the prayer is cleanliness. Its entrance is by saying Allahu Akbar, and its exit is through the salam. Wudu as a shield against sin. When a believer performs wudu and washes his face, the angels cleanse his face, and every sin he has seen or committed with his eyes is washed away with the last drop of water. People think that you can perform wudu only for prayer, but actually, wudu is not just an act of cleanliness, but also an act of worship itself. There are three powers of the wudu: spiritual purification, physical purification, and preparation of the prayers. Cleanliness is important not only for the religious perspective, but scientifically it is proved that wudu is the most appropriate practice to purify the organs of human body. Every Muslim performs wudu ablution before offering prayers. It is a simple, certain, and obligatory pattern of washing one's body parts with which they start their prayers. Wudu prevents us from many physical health issues. It gives physical purity, as all body parts wash many times due to wudu. So it gives us purification. Wudu eliminates all our bad deeds and sins. Wudu is a part of our faith. Strengthen your faith by performing ablution and remain in the state of purity. Wudu is prescribed by Allah, but now its scientific benefits also are proven. During wudu, you wash your mouth several times in a day. It will protect you from tooth problems. Similarly, by washing your face several times in a day, your face will be protected from the wrinkles and lines. In everyday life, starting the day, we touch various things in a day. These things can contain various types of germs which are harmful to our health. So, if we do wudu, we will definitely wash our hand. It will wash out all the germs from our hands and we will remain healthy. Washing arms activates blood circulation at those remote areas of the body, which is far from the center of the blood-pumping heart, making the person more active. Performing wudu helps calm the mind and soul. It prepares a person for salah, allowing them to connect with Allah in a state of inner peace and tranquility.